They're feeding the manatees out here. Come right up to the dock to get some water. I mean, how incredibly cool is that? Pretty cool, huh, guys? I mean, he's thirsty. He's just loving it. He's a big boy, too. He's got his mouth up. We can see his teeth. Okay. Isn't that funny? He went under to get the...
Wait.
He'll come back up.